Hey guys, it's Monday morning. I'm out here in the shop. Workbench is a little cluttered. I've got several projects going on, but what we're looking at today, this is a 1905 Westinghouse fan motor, and the bearing is bad in it, and of course it's a single bearing design. You see, let me take the rotor out. You see that there is no rear bearing behind the rotor. All the bearing is on the front side, so this is a single bearing type motor. And the shaft, let me see if I can get this thing to focus. The shaft is in kind of bad shape on it, so we're going to make a new shaft for it and make a new bearing for this housing here. So we'll get this old bearing out and get a new one made, and that should finish up this project here. Okay, stand by. Hey Vic, just to give you a little update, I've been working on your motor, and here's the old shaft that come out from in there. You know how beat up it was. So I got your new shaft in there. I don't know if I can get this thing to focus, but I tried to put you a nice cross hatch finish on there, that cross hatch in there. That's what helps the oil to, just like inside the cylinder on a cylinder on a car with the piston going, you want that cross hatch pattern in there. So I think the shaft turned out real nice. Now I'm working on the motor. This thing, man, is pressed in there a whole lot tighter than most of these I've ever seen. I'd hate to have to cut that out, but I'm about afraid to put too much more pressure on it because this thing here is so thin anyway. These castings are so thin, so I'll keep you posted. Hey Vic, I got it clamped down here. I got a piece of leather between the clamp and the motor housing so we don't mar that. Same over here on this side. I've got it clamped down real good and tight. Clamped good. And here I've got the indicator on here. I'm finding the center. And we'll get the center, which I think we're good. So I'm gonna zero everything right here. And we'll make sure nothing moves. And I'm gonna cut this old bearing out of there, okay? 1905 Westinghouse pancake motor, old bearing, old shaft, new bearing. See if I can do this one-handed. Oh well, it's spinning on the carpet down there. But anyway, there you go. She's ready to go.